Hello students, Logan Phillips or Professor P, and welcome to your first week of class. This is your weekend upcoming reminder. If you're in our 8-week courses, remember that the first deadline is coming up on Friday at 5 p.m. But if you're on our 16-week course, this is the only weekend break before our first big deadline, which will be the following Friday at 5 p.m. Both the Begin Here module and Module 1 are coming due 8-week Friday at 5 p.m. on week 1, 16-week Friday at 5 p.m. on week 2. So plan your week now and don't wait until the last minute. Also very important, you must complete the syllabus quiz and the discussion board to stay in this class. There are still about 10 of you who haven't done those yet. Knock them out this weekend and be absolutely done with it. And a quick heads up in the communications. I will be out of office Friday through Sundays, so messages will be answered on the next business day. I'll be wearing my farmer hat, cows, hay bales, and yes, chicken coop cleanup. So unless you're planning on come help me in the barnyard, I am going to be completely offline. Now for a fast FAQ, so nobody gets stuck, Power BI, you can install it on your personal computer. Just search Power BI Desktop, log in using your TCC email and password. The Power BI assignment, it's a follow-along video walkthrough. Copy what you do in the video and submit your finished file. It's an intro to the software. Don't overthink it. And the exam. No special software needed, but you do only get one attempt. So once you start it, you are completely committed. Now the case studies, there are 2 submission locations. Don't miss the second one. Use in-text citations and a reference section. I want your thinking, your experiences and your opinions, and more specifically, your reasoning. The assignment is 1,000 words, which is easy peasy. It's roughly about a page. And yes, you must reply to your classmates in a discussion style. I don't want to see just I agree. I want to see a discussion back and forth. I agree, I disagree because of this information that I have gleaned and found from other sources and brought in. And we're looking for back and forth here, natural discussions. So pre-quizzes, don't stress the score. It will show you what you got right, and then I'll adjust it to full points at the end of the semester. Just you must do it. So bottom line, if you're in our 16-week courses, use this weekend to relax. If you're on track, or better yet, work ahead so the next week isn't so stressful. If you're in our 8-week course, your first deadline is coming on Friday, and the second module begins at 5:01 p.m. on Friday, and you can take that through the following week on that next Friday. All right, have a very good weekend. I'll see you back next week. And as a gift, enjoy the cow in the announcement. That's one of my own. All right, guys. Have a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.